Forget your key when you go out. Why take the key when you go out? You don't need to bring a key after installing the smart lock. Large wide-angle HD camera avoids the blind area outside the door. Unlock by face recognition. Fingerprint unlocking. Password unlocking. Virtual password unlock. IC card unlocking. 3.5-inch HD large screen. Doorbell snap. Remote visual unlocking. Sensing alarm capture. Real-time push to the mobile phone. Open the handle quickly. Double lock rotary knob. One-click shift knob.